What is up, everybody? Welcome to today's video. Today, we're going to be taking a look at what Meta has in store for the end of 2023 and the beginning of 2024. Recently, I just went on a trip to New York City to demo two of Meta's brand new products, those being, of course, the Quest 3 and the Ray-Ban Metas. I am super excited to talk about each of those individually in their own videos, but for now, we're just going to be doing a blanket overview of kind of what I have in store for the next week in terms of content, as well as kind of my first impressions and takes with these devices. So starting off, I'm filming this right now before MetaConnect. MetaConnect is happening tomorrow. So let me know your thoughts on what MetaConnect was like down in the comments below. I, of course, can't be doing a MetaConnect commentary right now because I don't know what's going to happen, but I will be coming out with one of those shortly after. Following that, you should also expect a vlog type style video of my trip to New York, all the stuff I kind of did. I'm going to play around, see if I can get a vlog out for you guys. And then after that, expect a full video on the Ray-Ban Metas on their own. I have a lot to say about those, as well as the Meta Quest 3. Both of these products absolutely blew me away with their hardware, and I want to also talk a bit about their software, but I will leave it to their own individual videos. For now, I just want to say I am looking forward to the drop of the Quest 3. It's going to be an amazing device, and I definitely think it is enough of a step up from the Quest 2 to justify a purchase of it. In terms of the Ray-Ban Metas, I would also agree. If you don't own a pair of Ray-Ban Stories, Ray-Ban Metas are definitely the best place to start. If you own a pair of Ray-Ban Stories, depending on how much you use them and like them, I would say upgrade, because all of the issues, every single one of the issues I had with the Ray-Ban Stories were solved with the Ray-Ban Metas, which is just phenomenal. They've been listening to so much feedback. I absolutely loved my demo with the product. In terms of the New York trip, it was a very short trip, so the vlog will also be somewhat short, but keep your eyes peeled for that. It's my first video in that domain, so I'm super excited to see how you guys respond to it. We have one more day of MetaConnect tomorrow as this video goes live, which is in 2 days. Either way, you know what I'm saying. MetaConnect day 2. I'm excited to see how that goes. After that happens, come back to the video, leave your comments. I'm trying to get a discussion going on down in the comments below. Keep your eyes peeled for a little short about Roblox making its way on the Quest lineup. I have a lot to say in that domain as well. I am super excited for Roblox coming. It means big things for software on the Quest platform. For those of you who have stuck around, which I know is few and far between, I wanted to give you a little bit of my speculatory thoughts about what they're going to talk about at MetaConnect, what I see coming in the future for Meta as a whole, and kind of where virtual reality at Meta, mixed a bit with MR and AR, is going in terms of the overall XR industry. Spatial computing and computer vision are huge hot topics right now. If you've seen Apple's Vision Pro, you know that they are on top of that, and that's all AI-based structures. They've been sinking tons and tons of money into making a system that can work on a headset that'll track your hands so well that they don't even need controllers. I think Meta is getting close to that. I think they are also sinking millions of dollars into developing these AI tools. I mean, you've seen it. They've gone open source with a bunch of their tools. They have things like Llama. They have other things like, I forget their audio one. All I know is I've been in their WhatsApp. I've been seeing them come out. I'm more of the XR guy. I have been doing a lot of AI stuff, but I haven't been staying up to date with what Meta's been doing with AI. All I know is that they have been deep in the trenches of it, and that is fantastic. On top of this spectacular hardware that I got to demo, I know for a fact Meta is working on the software in order to continue improving upon the Quest 3 once it comes out. I mean, we've seen it with the Quest 2 and the Quest 1. They just kept pushing update after update. And a lot of the times there's bugs and issues that come with that. But the features that we had when the Quest 2 first came out compared to the features we have now is just so drastically different. You could almost call it a Quest 2.5 now with how much it has changed, which just means the bump up from 2.5 to 3 is not even as big, which means by the end of the Quest 3's life cycle, which is probably in 3 to 4 to 5 years from now, we're going to have an absolutely amazing headset. I see so much of a future for Meta at the XR table, and I'm just excited to see where it goes. There is competition now. The Vision Pro is coming out. Other companies, Valve, are finally talking about the Deckard and what is coming out of that domain and how that might be a standalone headset. Meta has to step it up, and I think they're doing that. They have been putting in the research and I am excited to see what this competition breeds. From all parties, I think we are going to have a tremendous resurgence of XR. It's kind of tampered off after the initial launch of the Quest 2, and I'm excited to see a little bit of resurgence in the XR industry. Personally, I've been going to conferences in my local area, some colleges and stuff that have been hosting conferences, and I've just been seeing all the hype starting to reform around XR and how it's going to be used in the business industry as well as in personal use. And I think together it's going to spawn a birth of a bunch of new software, which is really what XR needs. Right now, the hardware is good, but the software is kind of lacking. And we're at a stage now where the hardware comes out, then people try and catch up with the software. And I think we need to get to a stage where people are developing the software to be future-proof, to where the next bit of hardware that comes out maximizes the utilization of the software. But we'll get there in time. I think with the implementation of AI, we'll get there even sooner. That's just my little hot take to throw in at the end of this video for those of you who stuck around and wanted some analysis. I'm excited to see what Meta talks about at Connect. I'm hoping there's a lot more than just what I got to see while I was in New York. If you guys enjoyed today's video, a like would be greatly appreciated, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out, everybody. Bye.